National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, east central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, until 3:30 p.m. At 3:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Browns Mills, or 17 miles west of Toms River, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Woodruff, Browns Mills, and Country Lake Estates. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Ocean,